you can calm your mind without believing in anything. No God, no meaning, no faith. Just repeat a simple action again and again, and your mind slows down. How is that even possible? In this video, you will learn something strange. Why rituals calm the mind, even if you think they are fake. Why the brain relaxes before belief even starts. This matters because stress is everywhere. Anxiety is everywhere. And most people think calm needs belief. It does not. Humans repeat actions all the time. We tap, we sway, we count, we line things up. Not for meaning, for control. Long before big ideas, the body came first, and the body still leads the mind. Why does doing the same thing again and again feel calming? Think about walking, breathing, chewing. Repetition tells the brain one thing: nothing new is coming, no threat, no surprise. The brain hates surprise. Surprise means danger. So when an action repeats, the brain lowers alert mode, heart slows, breath deepens. No belief needed. Here is something strange. The body calms first. The mind follows later. Slow movements send signals upward. Steady breath sends signals upward. Still posture sends signals upward. The brain listens to the body. So when the body acts calm, the brain copies it. This is backward from what people think. You do not calm the body by thinking. You calm the mind by moving the body. Why do rituals use sound? Chants, bells, claps, humming. Sound controls rhythm. Rhythm controls breath. Breath controls heart. Heart controls mood. Slow sound slows the system. Even if the words mean nothing to you, the brain reacts to pattern, not meaning. That is the key. Why does doing one small action block big worries? Because stress needs space. Worry jumps across time, past to future. What if? What next? A ritual traps attention. Here, now, hands move, eyes follow, breath stays close. The mind has no room to panic. Not because of belief, because of limits. Here is the twist. Rituals do not work because people believe. People believe because rituals work. Calm comes first. Meaning comes later. The body feels better. Then the mind explains it. That flips everything. What if you know it is fake? What if you think it is silly? It still works. Because the brain cannot tell the difference between real meaning and repeated structure. If the pattern is steady, the body responds. That is why habits shape mood. That is why routines reduce stress. No story required. Why does stopping a ritual feel uncomfortable? Because the brain lost a signal. No pattern, no rhythm, no order. The brain goes back to scan mode, looking for danger. That tight feeling? That is alert mode returning. Not guilt, not fear of punishment, just biology. Now look at daily life. Phones buzz, screens flash, schedules change. No rhythm, no pause. The brain never gets the signal that it is safe to rest. Rituals were pauses, built into life. Remove the pause, and stress fills the gap. Rituals are not magic. They are not proof. They are not belief machines. They are nervous system tools. They slow time. They shrink choice. They reduce surprise. They calm the body. Then the mind follows. That is the full picture. So the next time you feel calm, during a simple repeated action, do not ask what it means. Ask what it does. If you like simple ideas like this, subscribe to this channel. More hidden design is coming.